robots are coming, the robots are coming, the robots are coming. Ah! What does AI mean for human connection? Everything. Hey everybody, Ginger here, human connection expert. When we think about AI and human connection, sometimes we don't think of them as a plus. Sometimes we think it has to be an or. It's a maybe, it's a versus. It's not at all. AI plus HC is more than some sort of magic formula. It is the magic formula because when we couple human connection with artificial intelligence, man, everything is possible. In his terrific book, The Innovation Ultimatum, Steve Brown covers how we should include human connection. And in fact, in chapter 17, Embracing Technology in the Service of People, he cites the 6 aspirations that are consistent with human needs. And then the number 1 is connection. They are not separate, they are together. So put them together. Keep in mind that human connection drives technology and all of our ologies and all of our movement. So put them together, my friends. You will be better, stronger, and you'll be able to create the magic you want when you put them together instead of keep them apart. They play well together. So go ahead and play. If AI conjures up the idea of robots or soulless people or the Jetsons flying around, whatever that looks like, rethink it. AI and human connection can live together very nicely. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you back for more because there's a lot more where that came from. When I can be of service for speaking, training, and great dinner parties for you and your team, give a shout. We'd love to be of service because remember, life is powered by connection.